Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing a composition topic, an essay on Diwali. Children, you all know that Diwali is the festival of lights. You heard in the video that I sent you why Diwali is celebrated, the story behind Diwali. Now, days before Diwali, people go shopping to buy new clothes. This festival is celebrated by the Hindus. People also clean their houses and get things ready for this grand festival that they celebrate. They make delicious sweets. They also hang up lanterns and put diyas outside their houses. You know why it was celebrated, right? That Ram and Sita were returning back, and to celebrate their return, people lit up their homes, put lights all over the place to welcome Lord Ram and Sita back to their hometown. A beautiful rangoli is put outside their door. Colorful. See, a rangoli is so colorful with what intricate designs. People go out to buy gifts to be given to one another. They share gifts with one another. You see, all over there are sales happening because people love and enjoy buying gifts to give one another during this festival. Now, crackers are lit. Children and adults both enjoy doing this. They enjoy bursting crackers or lighting crackers. It is to celebrate the homecoming of Lord Ram and Sita. Diwali is a festival celebrated specially with family. The whole family gets together, the father, the mother, the children, their grandparents, all of them come together, uncles and aunties, and celebrate this lovely festival. They share gifts with one another, their new clothes, they show off their new clothes, and children and adults, especially the children, enjoy this festival because there is so much of celebration in the home. Now, a puja is done to Goddess Lakshmi to welcome her into the home. That is why they clean their house very nicely because they are welcoming Goddess Lakshmi in their home. Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. And you know, children, when you have guests coming to your house, you also would clean your house and keep things nice and tidy. So also the Hindus uh, during Diwali time, they decorate their homes, they clean their homes so that they can welcome Goddess Lakshmi into their homes. Diwali is celebrated to spread light over darkness and good over evil. So now, children, we will write our essay. These are all the points that we have discussed, and now we will write our essay. Write a composition on Diwali. Now, children, I have given you some clue points here. I will read it out to you and then we will fill it up. The clue points are Festival of Lights, shopping, light crackers, gifts, clean their houses, make delicious sweets, lanterns and put diyas, good over evil, puja, celebrating with family, light over darkness, rangoli outside their house. Now let us fill it up and see what words go where. Diwali is the dash. What will you fill here, children? Correct. Festival of lights. Days before Diwali, people go, which word will you use? Shopping. To buy new clothes. They dash and dash. They clean their houses and make delicious sweets. They decorate their houses and hang lanterns and put diyas. People and children, what will you fill your children? Light crackers. They also put a dash rangoli outside their house. Dash are exchanged. Gifts. A dash is done to Goddess Lakshmi. What is the word? Puja. Very good. Diwali is all about dash. Which are the clue words you will use? Celebrating with family. It is a celebration to spread light over darkness and good over evil. Now you have completed your essay. Children, you will write this essay down and learn it. It is all about Diwali. Wishing each one of you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year.